Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take macro photo with Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. And to do this you will need to open a camera. Right here, if you try to find macro mode, it's not available, but there's a way to make macro photos by going to Pro. Here change to Telephoto. Now find the object that you want to take a macro photo of. In this case I have my logo right here and it needs to be in a very good light. Probably you can't see it pretty well, but here on the camera it's pretty good. So now go for this telephoto mode, use zoom and try to adjust the position of the phone. It might need to be very far away. And now it's good, we can take the photo, and right here as you can see it's in a macro and it looks very good. And that's it for this video, hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.